Hi Vidi, welcome back to Tampedix White Magic Spells. Let's see what are the messages for you, what all I can tell you, and a quick check into energies of what's happening today. Luck is on your side. We're starting with luck is on your side in love, and I'm sure something beautiful will happen. You see the purple and pink color here also, so I think it is going to be a lucky day for you. Something beautiful is going to happen for you today. I'm not going to say a text message, a call, or something. Yes, a loving message, maybe. Yes, a text message, a chance meeting with them, suddenly a sudden meeting with them. Suddenly they'll ask you out. That's my dog, okay, snoring. That's my mother's dog. And sorry, that'll be a background music. Take time to breathe out. It's a lucky day. Stop overworking yourself. Stop overthinking, okay, of things. Things are going to be right. I think Teddy is agreeing with everything. So take time to breathe out. Things are changing fast your way. Expect something really, really different happening from what's been happening. If you've been little unhappy in whatever way in your relationship or your loved life, things are going to change. Be bold and make the first move. Maybe you want to tell somebody that you're emotional about them, or you want them to tell you how they're feeling about you. So you're going to give them a little nudge, or you're going to poke them a bit and ask them, and they will actually tell you about how they feel about you. But I definitely feel you need to be a little more bold. I think you want to say something also in your heart. There's something in your heart that you want to ask them, say to them, and you're worrying a little, should I say it or not? But definitely today is your lucky day, so you can choose what you want to do and things will get done. Okay, surrender to the divine. See, you've got your lucky day, you've got your lucky card, you've got Sagittarian, and beautiful, beautiful changes. I also get emotions here, emotions involved involved with each other pretty much. Sorry for that noise. He's with me today. So conclusions are within reach. So whatever you wanted, I'm telling you today, get things done. Things will be get done by the universe or by you. If you've been manifesting their love, if you've been manifesting something, it shall be done. You've got to meditate and contemplate, so things will bring you answers. I feel that there is no more chasing behind each other. Sorry, I was taking these cards out. I don't think there's any chasing happening. This is a beautiful dance, a beautiful relationship, wanting to be with each other. I feel very joyful, when I hold this. And look at this, you've got the end of a tough cycle is coming. So you have been, today, Tam Predicts, sorry, was all about that you've been worrying about something, being up all night, overthinking also of things that are not there in the relationship. Anything negative, just keep it aside because today is your day, okay? Something that was not right, something you were worrying about, will actually get solved automatically, because look at the beautiful cards and look at the story. The conclusions are also within reach, means you get your answers, you get clarity. It's a beautiful dance. It's being with each other. I don't think here anything is chasing or it's a chaser energy. It's like you both want to be in the relationship. It could be a new relationship. You're having, it's like your honeymoon period is what I get. And yeah, that's exciting. I really love the cards. I'm getting 777 quite a lot for you guys. And yeah, you and your loved ones are safe. This is so beautiful. It's almost like saying they are protected by the divine, because look at this, surrender to the divine. Just surrender yourself and your relationship to the divine. The divine will protect you guys. And look at this, work through your fears. So today, if it says be bold and make a move, maybe you want to ask them something and you're getting a bit scared, should I say it or not, what will be their reaction? And I feel my spirit guides are saying just go ahead today, because today seems to be a very good day, and if anything was on your mind, it'll be solved. And it's everything is aligning today, and it's giving you opportunities, doors. They'll be, your loved one will be more open. If you wanted a secret out, if you wanted anything out from them, I definitely feel, look at this, your commitment is being tested. For some of you, are you committed in the relationship or not? Or maybe it's getting tested in a way that patience, maybe you require patience. Yes, maybe you have to be patient in the relationship. Maybe the universe is testing you guys together, that do you belong with each other or not. But this is I think you need to show patience in the relationship, and that's being tested. Okay, the energy is gaining momentum. I'm telling you, today is the time of action. You've got all action cards. Even in Tam Predicts today, it was all about action. Today is the day, or things will move, or things will expect sudden change. That was the card. I used Monology deck also there, so that was the card that expects sudden changes. Things that were not happening, tough cycle, it's suddenly going to end. Things are going to be better, because it's actually luck is on your side. Okay, not just today, but I feel this whole week, when you're in the May season, luck is on your side. So do what you want to do, and things that you wanted to hear from them, or anything that you wanted. I think you manifested it, and universe is going to hand out answers to you, very clear ones. And also, I think it's a protected relationship. Your relationship is safe, and yeah, energy is gaining momentum. So things are going to move very fast. If you just started in a relationship, or you reached at a point and you were like, where next, where should I go, it's actually going to be really beautiful, and the energy is gaining momentum. A beautiful energy is gaining momentum. Let's see money messages. And I have Terry snoring peacefully at the back. Wow, many opportunities. Look at the lucky day, lucky cards. You've got many opportunities. The call you were waiting for. Either ways, for love and some job call, interview call, anything that you were waiting for, you're going to get it. Don't waste money. So put some money for the rainy days, put it away, okay? So if you're thinking in your head, do I really need it? Should I buy it? Should I really put my money there? So remember, maybe that's a sign. Remember, these are guidances, is totally on you what you want to do. Interview. So some of you are going to get an interview. Some of you have given an interview. Maybe you are waiting for the second interview or for a call from them. It's going to be beautiful. A call today will mean a lot to you, I feel. Creativity is an all-time high, so you'll be feeling very creative. What's your calling? So you get your answers. See, maybe energy is gaining momentum, and your answers, conclusions are within reach. There's a calling, in this also. So some kind of a calling. Look at this, new opportunities at the end of the deck. How beautiful is that? 333, a new beginning, journey, a new place. That's a really, I feel there's, you've got an interview, you've got a job, it could be abroad, or it could be a new place, it takes you to a new home, more money. I feel things are moving today, it's like energy, for everything, not just love, for everything, energy is gaining momentum, and it's going to be so beautiful. And here it is, almost touching 7:07. That's the time. So take care, guys, and I hope you like the reading, and just have a beautiful, beautiful day, and God bless you all. Bye, guys.